Mastering research ethics committees. A research ethics committee exists to shield humans from scientists gone rogue. Why does a research ethics committee, REC, exist, and what are its main objectives and primary responsibilities in ensuring the protection of research participants and the integrity of research studies? Establishing and maintaining operational excellence in research ethics committees, RECs, a comprehensive approach to ensuring the protection of research participants and the integrity of research studies. Research ethics committees, RECs, play a vital role in ensuring the ethical conduct of research studies, safeguarding the well-being and rights of research participants, and promoting the integrity of research outcomes. As an integral part of the research governance framework, RECs are responsible for reviewing, approving, and monitoring research studies to ensure compliance with ethical principles, regulatory requirements, and institutional policies. To achieve operational excellence, RECs must strive to optimize their performance, efficiency, and effectiveness in fulfilling their primary objectives and responsibilities. Primary objectives and responsibilities of RECs. The primary objectives of RECs are to 1. Protect the rights, safety, and well-being of research participants, including vulnerable populations such as children, pregnant women, and individuals with impaired decision-making capacity. 2. Ensure the ethical conduct of research studies, including the respect for dignity, autonomy, and privacy of participants. 3. Promote the integrity of research studies, including the validity, reliability, and accuracy of data collection and analysis. 4. Foster a culture of ethical research practice, including transparency, accountability, and responsibility among researchers and institutions. To achieve these objectives, RECs have the following primary responsibilities. 1. Review and approve research protocols, informed consent forms, and other relevant documents to ensure compliance with ethical principles, regulatory requirements, and institutional policies. 2. Monitor ongoing research studies to identify and address any ethical concerns, deviations, or non-compliance with approved protocols. 3. Provide education, training, and guidance to researchers, research staff, and institutional representatives on ethical research practices, regulatory requirements, and institutional policies. 4. Collaborate with other research governance entities, such as institutional review boards, IRBs, animal care and use committees, ACUCs, and biosafety committees, to ensure a comprehensive and coordinated approach to research governance. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for operational excellence in RECs. To achieve operational excellence, RECs should establish and track KPIs that measure their performance, efficiency, and effectiveness in fulfilling their primary objectives and responsibilities. Some essential KPIs for RECs include: 1. Turnaround time for protocol reviews, the average time taken to review and approve research protocols, including the time from submission to approval. 2. Approval rate for initial protocol submissions, the percentage of research protocols approved without major revisions or clarifications required. 3. Protocol amendment approval rate, the percentage of protocol amendments approved without major revisions or clarifications required. 4. Informed consent form approval rate, the percentage of informed consent forms approved without major revisions or clarifications required. 5. Monitor and audit completion rate, the percentage of ongoing research studies monitored and audited within the required time frame. 6. Education and training participation rate, the percentage of researchers, research staff, and institutional representatives participating in educational and training programs offered by the REC. 7. Compliance rate with regulatory requirements, the percentage of research studies compliant with relevant regulatory requirements, such as Good Clinical Practice, GCP, and International Conference on Harmonization, ICH, guidelines. 8. Participant complaint and adverse event response rate, the percentage of participant complaints and adverse events responded to and resolved within the required time frame. Strategies for achieving operational excellence in RECs. To achieve operational excellence, RECs should implement the following strategies. 1. Develop and regularly update standard operating procedures, SOPs, establish clear, concise, and comprehensive SOPs that outline the REC's policies, procedures, and guidelines for reviewing, approving, and monitoring research studies. 2. Implement an electronic protocol management system. Utilize an electronic system to manage protocol submissions, reviews, and approvals, ensuring efficiency, transparency, and version control. 3. Establish a training and certification program for REC members and staff. Provide regular training and certification programs for REC members and staff to ensure they are knowledgeable about ethical principles, regulatory requirements, and institutional policies. 4. Conduct regular self-assessments and quality improvement initiatives. Regularly assess the REC's performance, identifying areas for improvement and implementing quality improvement initiatives to optimize operational efficiency and effectiveness. 5. Foster a culture of collaboration and communication. Encourage open communication, collaboration, and knowledge sharing among REC members, researchers, research staff, and institutional representatives to promote a culture of ethical research practice. 6. Develop and maintain a comprehensive policy and procedure manual. Establish a comprehensive policy and procedure manual that outlines the REC's policies, procedures, and guidelines for reviewing, approving, and monitoring research studies. 7. Implement a risk-based approach to protocol review and monitoring. Prioritize protocol reviews and monitoring based on the level of risk associated with the research study, ensuring that higher-risk studies receive more intense scrutiny and oversight. 8. Establish a participant complaint and adverse event reporting system. Develop a system to report, track, and respond to participant complaints and adverse events, ensuring prompt resolution and mitigation of any harm. By implementing these strategies, RECs can achieve operational excellence, ensuring the protection of research participants, the integrity of research studies, and compliance with ethical principles, regulatory requirements, and institutional policies.